You have been scrolling. You see a title you know is bait. You click anyway. That reflex is not a failure of will. It is a design target. Creators build experiences that lean on how attention and emotion work, and your brain responds exactly as it evolved to do. Platforms tune recommendation loops to exploit variable rewards, the same schedule that keeps gamblers pulling levers and players chasing one more level. Start with curiosity. Your mind hates gaps. When a title leaves out a key detail and a thumbnail shows a moment right before the moment, your brain flags an unfinished pattern. That tension feels uncomfortable, so you move to resolve it. Great creators milk that tension without breaking trust. They set a promise in the first 10 seconds, keep an open loop alive, then deliver a clean answer that closes the loop. Now, emotion. High arousal feelings like anger, awe, fear, and delight narrow focus and boost memory encoding. A face in the thumbnail with wide eyes, a strong verb in the title, a clean steak like I lost 1 million in one day. I'll tell your nervous system this matters. Clicks follow arousal. Overdo it, and people burn out. Use it well, and you create stakes that make the story worth watching. Here comes dopamine. The biggest surge usually happens before the reward. That means the anticipation you feel while hovering over a title is part of the hook. Savvy videos stack small promises and small payoffs in a loop. Tease a challenge, pay with a test. Tease a bigger turn, pay with a reveal. Each cycle resets attention and keeps the chemical prediction engine humming. Your brain also runs shortcuts. Confirmation bias pushes you toward content that agrees with you. If a title flatters your taste or identity, it gets a head start. Social proof tells you many others clicked, so it must be worth it. Scarcity and countdowns compress decision time. None of these are evil by default. They are levers. The question is how honestly they are used. Numbers work because they promise scope and certainty. 7 thumbnail fixes signals a path with an end. Your brain loves boundaries. Numbers help structure the script too. Each item becomes a chapter, a retention anchor, and a reason to stick for just one more. Thumbnails are fast cognition. Faces beat objects, eyes grab eyes, asymmetry adds energy. Contrast isolates the subject from a clean background. Action beats static. A single focal point beats clutter. Text should be minimal and large, 4 words or fewer, with the title carrying the rest of the meaning. The first 30 seconds decide survival. A cold open shows the payoff or a piece of it, then the title, then the setup. Avoid slow greetings and long context. Pattern interrupt every 20 to 30 seconds with a cut, a prop, a location change, a graphic, or a micro challenge that advances the promise you made at the start. Retention is a relationship with time. Remove dead air, cut ladders, door handles, and repeats unless they build tension or character. Use sound design like a guide rope. Subtle rises before reveals, quiet beds during detail, silence for emphasis. Ethics matter. Curiosity without payoff becomes deceit. Outrage without purpose becomes harm. If you teach, show your sources. If you challenge, show the risks. Offer chaptered payoffs so viewers can leave satisfied. Long-term trust beats short-term spikes. If you want to resist these hacks as a viewer, add friction. Disable autoplay. Wait 10 seconds before tapping and ask what the real promise is. Use watch later as a cooling-off bin. If a creator consistently pays off, subscribe and reward the good actors. If you want to use these tools as a creator, write the promise first, then the thumbnail, then the title, then the script. Film the payoff early so you can show it in the cold open. Keep a curiosity thread weaving through the middle. End with a clean resolution and one earned ask. You are not helpless in the face of brain hacks. You are the operator. Understand the triggers, choose when to engage, and keep your attention pointed where your goals live. Use these tools to inform and entertain without eroding trust. That is how creators grow and audiences stay human. Comment your thoughts. Share the smartest thumbnail you have seen this month. Like if this sharpened your strategy. Subscribe for more clear-eyed breakdowns of attention and design, only here on Next Gen Science. Let us keep exploring together.